Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. Today we are gonna spend a day in my life. It's a Wednesday today. I know this video is gonna drop on a Friday, but it's a Wednesday today, and don't mind my hair, guys. But anyways, I am off today, so I want to try do my hair myself and then install a wig, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, please do stay tuned, like this video, watch the other videos, be kind to me, please. Yeah, guys, so I am struggling to open lines. It's been very difficult. This is what I've done so far. 3 lines. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like the hardest thing. I don't have to do my entire life. But on a serious note, guys, I just feel like when you move abroad, when you're trying to do your budgets and stuff, don't be like me. Don't try to check the exchange rate between 2 different places, because that will just, because I could have gone to the salon to have this underwig cornrows done on me. It would have cost me like £35, which is reasonable actually. Well, I think it's reasonable, but because I converted the amount to rands, which is the currency I used to use before, that's like 800 rands. But I'm like, if I was in South Africa with 800 rands, honey, I could have done braids long, and that's a lot of money. Do you understand? I could even buy a bob wig with that money. Now I must take that money and go do cornrows. Oh, it's not it's not agreeing, guys. It refuses. Anyways, I think I'm gonna try to do 4 more lines, and then after that we are gonna install a wig. I haven't decided which wig yet. I only brought 2 of my wigs here. I don't know why I did that to myself, but the good thing is with online shopping, you can always purchase a wig and have it delivered. I have purchased a wig before on AliExpress and it was okay. Actually, one of those wigs that I'm gonna show you guys is from AliExpress. So if I ever decide I want another wig, I can always literally order on AliExpress, because I think wigs are literally gonna be my life, because I cannot can. It's not happening. Do you understand? Anyways, I'm gonna try use this mirror, because right now this is the biggest mirror I have in here. I'm gonna try use this. Yes, I know I need to buy a mirror. I'm talking to myself. YouTube is so weird. Why do people like to talk to themselves? Make it make sense. Anyways, I am probably gonna stop this video now and then show you guys the final product, because final product, I just call my hair product. Influencership, you see what it does to people, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna stop this video because I need to use my phone to see. This mirror is too small, I can't even hold it up. So I'm gonna need to use my phone to try my level best to open straight lines, because I know I'm already doing a terrible job, but like I won't lose anything by trying, you know? So see you soon. Hi guys, I am friends. I don't know what must happen. So unfortunately we are gonna have to wait for this to dry up. So inconvenient. So mad. Actually, this looks drier. We are just gonna open like a small space for our ears to breathe. So that's that, guys. I am gonna try see if the rest of these are gonna work, because right now I'm just like, what must happen, because I need all these. And especially this one, if it's not working, it's chai, guys. It's chai, shooty, no weak installation vibes. I played myself. Hey, guys, I said this. Guys, nothing is working. I'm just gonna have to wait for this to dry for a bit. I can't even speak anymore because what must to happen? I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and in the meantime I am just gonna, I don't even know what to say. I'm just gonna go bath and see what I can do after taking a shower, because this is so stressful. I didn't expect this. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Hi guys, so I've just taken a shower. We're gonna try this without the hair dryer, without the heat comb, without anything, just glue and vibes. But let's see how this goes. I'm gonna cut out this front part because I put my glue here, so this darker brown part I'm gonna cut it out because I do not need that. And then after that I'm gonna put some glue. I'll show you guys when I put some glue. I just want to quickly cut this first because you'll know I need the phone for the mirror. So I'm gonna stop the video and do that first, and then we'll put the glue and we'll put the wig. Oh, actually, this is a wig we got from AliExpress. It's okay, honestly. Just probably looks rough now because I haven't worn it in like months. And then this is another wig. This is probably the one I am going to install now, because I think right now without all my appliances it'll be easier to install a straight wig. And it's already been cut because I have worn it before. It's just the first time I do a proper installation myself. Well, I hope it'll be proper, truthfully. You guys, a person is... Anyways, let's get to it. So as you guys can see, I've cut that part out. I don't know if this is gonna work out, honestly. I'm just freaking out right now because things are not really coming together. Anyways, I am gonna put foundation next. I'm gonna put a color that is very, very close to my skin color, because I mean, no one wants a mess. Just hope this works out for me. Okay. Oh, that looks like a lot of foundation. Anyways, this is so that when I actually put in the wig, it blends in with my face, you know, in a way. So let's see if this works out like we wanted to. Yo, guys, if this does not work out after wasting so much time, ngizokhala. I will be a crybaby if this does not work out, because why are you not working out? Why are you against me? Why don't you want me to progress in life? Mara, guys, I have a question. If you were me, would you have gone to get cornrows done for rands 800 rand? Would you have? I mean, ngiyala, guys. Mina ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi yazini umntwana sekhaya ngamsendela leyo mali kungabe iphathi. Mina ngiqeda ngihambe ngiyoqina ama cornrows. Ukuba selfish. Anyways, I'm just gonna comb my wig. Should have probably gotten my brush, but we will get the brush after. This is just so everything is intact for when we, Okay, so I've got this glue. I really usually almost use it for my eyelashes. For my eyelashes, but today we are using it for what it's meant for. Okay, so let's see if that works out, because I mean we do need something to hold the wig as well, because just in case that it shakes, for it got to be a sifagela pass, guys, to be on the safe side, because also it gets very windy here, and personally I'm not trying to have my wig flying in front of everyone, because everyone's just gonna be like, Aibo, what's going on? Also, when people were seeing me with braids, guys, they thought it was my own hair. Abantu ba abanga ke masikuwa iwig in public. Yeah, ngaba yini, guys? Bangangibophisa nokungibophisa nje. But see, hey, umuntu is not a real person. Anyways, let's put our wig on. Let's see. I'm trying to be as careful as can be with this, because I really don't want to mess up my wig. Hi guys, so we managed to install the wig, but unfortunately, hi guys, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm running late, guys. Like, do you understand? Oh my god. I have my my train is literally leaving in 7 minutes. But I'm close. Good news is it's not gonna leave me. But wow, guys, if Kayla knew I was running late, she would kill me. Do you all understand? I was up since 4:15 in the morning, and I haven't arrived to where I'm supposed to get the train. Wow.
Ngine concern, guys. What if ngilahlekile? Like, just what if? Yes, I prefer I actually feel like I don't know actually I rebuke any negativity. I feel like trains that have one stops are better than trains that have 10,000 stops, because what if I go to the wrong place, or what if I get off at the wrong place? I've arrived, guys. Keep.